The flood narrative in Genesis represents the clearest collision between mythic storytelling and moral catastrophe. Scientifically, the story collapses on every front. There is no global geological flood layer, no evidence of a worldwide deluge within the proposed time frame, no feasible way to house, feed, and preserve millions of species on a single wooden vessel, and no plausible genetic pathway for life to rebound from such an extreme bottleneck without immediate extinction level consequences. These are not minor gaps, they are foundational impossibilities. The story cannot be reconciled with biology, geology, or ecology without abandoning the very sciences that explain the world we actually inhabit. But the deeper problem is not scientific, it's moral. The flood depicts the mass killing of nearly all humans, including children, infants, and those incapable of moral agency, along with the near total destruction of animal life. This is not justice, it's collective punishment on a planetary scale. The narrative offers no meaningful distinction between guilt and innocence, no proportionality, and no attempt at rehabilitation. Entire populations are erased not for what they did, but for what they were associated with. Violence becomes indiscriminate and suffering becomes collateral. Psychologically, this story normalizes catastrophic solutions to complex problems. When the highest authority responds to moral failure by extermination rather than education or reform, it teaches that destruction is an acceptable, admirable form of problem solving. This conditions readers to see extreme measures as justified when patience fails, and to accept that some lives are simply expendable in the service of order. Empathy is overridden by allegiance to authority, and moral discomfort is reframed as faithfulness.